Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Debug back here with another video. Today we'll be setting up VS Code editor for Unity game development with intellisense. That means auto completion, parameter infos, things like that. So let's get started. First of all, let's get started by downloading VS Code. Let's go to their official website, and VS Code is actually a code editor which is actually free for users. So let's download, and right now I'm using Windows, so I'm going to download the installer for Windows. Next, choose the folder where you have to download it. I'm going to choose downloads and hit on save. After the file has been downloaded, go to the folder and open it up. The installer will ask to accept the agreements, and also make sure you have enabled this add to path. After that, click on install, and it will take some time to install VS Studio Code. After that, close this and restart your PC. After your PC has been restarted, open up Unity and create a project. Right now I'm going to use the 2020.3 editor version, and let's create the project. After the file has been opened up, go to the project, edit, and then go to preferences, and now go to external tools. Right now you will see that there is no external script editors used in Unity. So if you open up this, you will see that there's Visual Studio Code already opened up. So let's click on that, and it should take some time to open up Visual Studio Code. And then make sure that the embedded packages as well as the local packages are enabled. Then click on regenerate project files. After that, close the preferences, and now we are going to create a C# script. Let's call it example script. So now if I open it up, it should open up in VS Code. Great. Now if I start typing public game object, you could see that the intellisense is not working. So to enable the intellisense, we have to install extensions. So let's go towards the extensions, or Ctrl+Shift+S, and right now we have to install C#. After installing C# extension, you'll get an error like the .NET Core SDK cannot be located. I haven't installed any .NET Core SDK, so that's why I'm getting this warning. If you have installed .NET Core and getting this error, make sure it's added to the path. So right now I'm not going to install .NET Core because it's not needed. I'm going to close this, and if I go towards the script and start typing public game object, you could see that it's giving me an option like game object. So if it's the same case for rigid body and particle system, so we are getting auto completion. Let's go with the rigid body. And now if we go towards update and start typing rb.add force, you could see that the auto completion is working pretty nicely. And then if we go for the parameters, you could see that it's been also shown by VS Code. With that, we have set up VS Code for Unity game development. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button. Also, if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.